Dear business partners, take a look at the layout guidance of our full feed pellet, lined in the customer's new workshop. Plan equipment spacing first. Reserve space for maintenance, ventilation, and crane work for easy later upkeep. Place cyclones, elevators, pellet mills and cooling silos in processing order. Align all conveying channels. Arrange machines by material flow to avoid pipeline and conveyor misalignment during assembly. Keep machines level and fix pipelines tightly to reduce dust leakage in production. Assemble step by step. After positioning all units, and you'll get a fully automatic integrated feed production line.